So you can watch me work this one out, or if you're already there, you can double check it after you're done. But see if we all agree here. And I have been known to make the occasional mistake, so you probably want to double check just to see if it was me and not you that caused the problem. Okay, so is 5 over 4 less than 10 out of 7? Yes. Is that less than? Yes, it is. So I end up on this side. And at negative 3, so it'll be negative 3 over negative 2. Is that less than negative 6 over negative 5? So is 3/2 less than 6 over 5? No, I don't think that's true. 3/2 is larger than 6 over 5. Okay, let's pick, oh shoot, now I'm going to have to go to fractions. So we'll try negative 1/2. I would probably want my calculator to do parts of these questions, but let's see if we can do this here. Negative 1 and a, oops, sorry, negative 2.5. Okay, so that's going to be negative 1. Is that less than negative 1 over 2.5? And that answer is going to be true. Okay. The smaller negative is bigger, and that's this value. Try another one at x equals to 1. That's 1 over 2. Is that less than 2 over negative 1? No, that's not true. 1/2 is definitely larger than negative 2. Okay, and then the last one, finally, is 3/4 less than 6 over 1. Yes, 3/4 is less than 6. Okay, so these asymptotes here, remember that causes a division by 0, so I'm going to circle them so I don't include them in my answer. So the answer would be x can be less than negative 4. It can be from negative 1 to 0, and it can be greater than 2. Wasn't that fun? Yay. Uh-oh, it's supposed to be what? So I made the mistake here. Yeah, it's supposed to be this inequality. So you're saying it should be. Does it matter if it's on the top or the bottom? No, the reason I wrote it like that was this is like negative 1 over 1. Oh, okay. Oh, it should be, okay, let me double check then. So when I substituted in negative 1/2, it was wrong?
times -0.5.
Okay, so it'll be -1 here. Ah, now I see what you're saying. So I'm looking for 1 over 2.5. So again, the negative is not less than the positive. So thankfully I fluked out on that one. And it still worked out. But this would be the answer, I think. Yeah, I hope.
Why is it always right, wrong, right, wrong, right?
Doesn't always do that. It just depends on the nature of the graph. There's some graphs where it may end up being like plus plus minus minus. You may end up having them paired together. But if I was rushed for time in a test, then I might guess the plus and minus pattern. Yes, no, yes, no. But if I wasn't rushed, I would check, because there are instances you may run into it in your homework where it goes yes, yes, no, no, yes, no, yes, no, and it does split the pattern up. Okay, so let's finish it there.